Hi, welcome back to Jodoo. This is Erica. Today, let's set up an autoresponder in Gmail using Zapier. This autoresponder will let you send follow-ups or order receipts directly from Gmail after a form submission. To make this happen, we need to create a Zap in Zapier. Head to your Zapier account and click the plus button to start. The first thing is to set up a trigger that kicks off the Zap. Here, our trigger app is Jodoo, and the event is New Record or Workflow. Next, go to Jodoo's open platform, and under API key, grab your key. Then, go back to Zapier. Click Sign In, and paste your API key to link your account. Now that we're connected, we can configure our event details. I will use the Contact Us form in the Marketing app as an example. Zapier will retrieve the existing submissions in your form. You can select an existing form submission, which we will use to map your form fields and test if your Zap works later. Then, continue to set up the action. Choose Gmail from the app list and set Send Email as the action event. Connect your Gmail account. And it's time to configure the email details. Let's set up your sender info. Add your email, the sender's name, and a subject line. Then, map your form fields with your email details. A trick here is to use your sample submission to make mapping easier. For example, to set the email collected in your form as the recipient, we can type a slash and enter your sample email address. Use that to match the recipient with the right field. You can also insert fields directly into the email body to personalize it. You can even switch the body type to HTML or upload attachments to make your responses look more engaging. Once done, go ahead and review the info and send a test. Check if it all checks out. And click Publish to make it live. And there you go. You've got a quick and easy autoresponder using Gmail. I hope this was helpful. If you have questions or anything of that nature, leave me a comment or join our community. This is Erica. Thank you for watching. See you next time.